Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Had a family sick day today, but I didn't want to go all of Friday without giving you any educational content. So now that the member of my family that is sick is now feeling better, wanted to do a quick video for y'all. So this video is going to be on adding fractions with unlike denominators. I'm going to rewrite the fraction because I want it to be a little bit bigger. I want it to be a little bigger so all of you can see it. So 2/10 plus, that's not what I wrote, 2/5. 2/5 plus 5/10. So this video is for my 5th graders. Shout out to all the 5th graders tuning in my school and in every other school. So adding fractions with unlike denominators. Now, the first step is we have to combine like terms. We have to figure out what is 2/5 in tenths. Because we cannot add fractions when the denominators are different. We can multiply or divide fractions where the denominators are different, but we can't add fractions when the denominator or the bottom number is not the same. We can't do it. So, the way that we determine combined like terms, it actually piggybacks off our last unit. The first step is to find the least common multiple. We have to find the least common multiple between 5 and 10, and once we know what the least common multiple is, then we can convert. We can convert fifths to tenths. So least common multiple between 5 and 10, that's what I'm going to find out first. So if I count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so we have a couple of common multiples here. 20 is a common multiple between 5 and 10, but the least common multiple between 5 and 10 is 10. 10 is a multiple of 10. 10 is also a multiple of 5. So we have a common multiple there. Now the question is, we have to figure out 5 times what equals 10. To convert the fifths to tenths, we have to figure out 5 times what equals the number 10. So basically, 5 times something equals 10. How many groups of 5 can we get into 10? Now, I know my multiplication in and out, but for those students that don't, what you can do is you can make groups of 5. You can make rows of, you can make 10 dots, and you can make them in groups of 5 and see how many groups that you come up with. So I have my 10 dots here, and I was able to make 2 groups of 5. So 5 times 2 equals the number 10. So 5 times 2 equals 10. So that means, I'm going to bring it back here. Now that we know that 5 times 2 equals 10, that means that if I multiply 5 times 2, if I multiply the numerator and the denominator times 2, I'll be able to convert to tenths. So this fraction here, 5 tenths, is already in tenths, so I'm going to leave that the same. Now over here, 2/5, I'm going to just multiply the denominator and numerator by 2, and then we'll have an equivalent fraction. We'll figure out what 2/5 is equivalent to in tenths. So 5 times 2 equals 10. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. So there we have it. 2/5 is equivalent to 4 tenths. So now that we've converted the fraction into like terms, now it becomes very simple. Now all we have to do is add our numerators and keep our denominator the same. So 10 over the 10 in the denominator is going to stay the same. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And we have our answer. 2/5 plus 5 tenths is equal to 9 tenths. 2/5 is equivalent to 4 tenths, so 4 tenths plus 5 tenths, 9 tenths. That is our answer, and we just converted. We're able to find a way to add fractions that have unlike terms. So I'm going to leave this on the board. You feel free to pause the video. Copy down the steps, and try a problem for yourself. All right, that was a short video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.